Hey guys, let's see how to fix the settings icon missing on Android. I have Android 9 and this one is 14, so different versions. Here you can see the settings and here is not available. So the icon is not here anywhere, but you still can find the settings just right here. Just bring this down and here you see this gear. You click it and you have the settings, all right? Then you just come down here on display. This is for version 9, okay, version 9, and also works with different versions. So you come here on home screen. The idea is to find the home screen. And there we go. Come down, and here you can see hide apps. So basically, the settings app is hidden here. Somewhere you see it, hidden apps. I have settings just right here. So you just need to remove it from here. You have all the apps that you can just hide. In this case, you just need to remove this from here. So just click here and don't forget to apply. So click here, apply. There we go. Then I come back here and I look for the settings icon in the last part here, okay? In the last screen. So it's here, it's working now. So for this version 14, it's almost the same. Let me just check here. Let's say you don't have it here, for example, right? Or you want to hide it. So you just come here in settings. It's basically the same, but here's a little bit different because you can find directly here. You can find display or you can find home screen directly here. There we go. And then you can find hide apps on home and app screen. There we go. And here you find all the list of the apps, right? You can just go down or you just click here and look for the app, in this case, settings. There we go. And you click here to hide it, click done. And there we go. When you come here, it's no longer available, right? So if it's not there, you just need to do the opposite, of course. Just come here again on settings and bring it down. You can come directly here to the home screen and then hide apps on home and app screen. And here can just do the opposite. You look here for settings. There we go. And you just click done. And go to the last screen here. There we go. There we go. It's here. Okay. So it's basically working. So that's the way you can fix the problem with the settings icon missing on Android, right? If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.